Alright guys, this is Matthew again, and today is 1st of July 2022. Happy new month to you guys, and we are right back again on the D trader. That's the deriv D trader interface right there. So we are going to be trading the touch no touch today, and we're going to drop 3 strategies today across our 3 channels. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. We're going to show the links as we proceed right here. So here we are trading the touch no touch volatility 10 index, and we've logged in and we are using the D trader, so we are going to wait for this to rebound a bit before we click on. Actually, we are going to be making few bucks here, but we are going to win the trades if you watch carefully. Okay, so once you log into the D trader interface, you go to the trade, the markets, you go to static indices, you click on volatility 10 index, then you come to this trade type right here. You go to the high low here, you click on touch no touch. So once you click on it, you are going to leave the ticks as 5 ticks. Then you are going to set the barrier offset to plus 0.498 plus 0.498. So that's what you are going to set the barrier. Also, I'm going to change this to 17. Depends on what you have in your account. Depends on if you have little funds in your account, just enter little funds. So this depends on what you have in your account. So we're going to be watching this movement of this stuff right here. We're going to be watching it, and we're going to be watching the last 3 numbers here. The last 3 numbers. So once the last 3 numbers drop between 0 to 80, that's if it's between 0 to 80, we are going to click on no touch. That's 1. We are watching the last 3 numbers there. If it's from 0 to 80, you know, that's 239, that's 7 there. You can see 007 there. So let's wait for the outcome of this trade right here. So you can see we made 1.53 there. So we're going to watch again. We are watching the last 3 numbers after the dot. It has to be between 0 to 80. And another thing is that you have to watch, this thing has to be dropping down. It has to be dropping down, not when it's pushing right up. It has to be going down. So let's place one more trade again. That's 458. It's 380. So you can see you need to wait for the last 3 numbers to go down between 0 to 80. Any number can pop up. That's the 6 there, 6 there. So you can see we won that trade again. So make sure you watch the numbers before you place the trade. It has to be between 0 to 80. It has to be between, and most importantly, this thing has to be dropping down. Place the trade when this thing is dropping down. When it's dropping right down, that's when you place the trade, because our barrier is plus. Plus means up. It has to be going down, and you have to watch this last 3 numbers. It has to be low before you place the trade. So before we proceed again, we are going to place one more trade. But for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, that's the boat right there. You can see the boat is just 9.99 USD. That's today. The TOUCHSCALPER boat is based on Rise and Fall, the latest update version 6.5 right there. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnology.com.ng to order the boats. It's just 9.99 USD. And the PIPSREAPER boat as well. This is the PIPSREAPER boat right there. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, all you have to do is to visit www.binarypipsreaperboat.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER, but just 7.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. These are the channels again. These are the links. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We are going to paste everything in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So let's get back to the trading. Let's place one more trade again. Let's place one more trade. Where are we? That's 809, 940, 979, 723. Remember, we are watching the last three numbers there. 910. But it's going up, so I have to wait for it to drop down a bit before I click on the no touch. $21, 865. $841. Okay, let's go for the trade there. It drops down a bit there. So you can see we won that trade again. We won that trade. So you can go on and on and on. Just make sure it's dropping down. Just make sure you watch the numbers carefully. It has to be between 0 to 80. Then if you also notice that it drops down with full speed, quickly click on the no touch. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.